Hi there. In previous video we have discussed the selection tool. In this lecture we will discuss direct selection tool. What is the difference between selection tool and direct selection tool? Let's get started. Firstly, I am creating a shape. Now I want to move this shape. What will I do? Press V key, selection tool will be activated. Now I can move this. But what if I want to move any corner of the shape instead of moving the whole shape? Yes, now we will use the direct selection tool. Select the direct selection tool from the tool panel located in the left side of the window. Now select any corner of the shape. These are called the anchor points. You can move any corner by holding and dragging it. If you want to select more than one corners, hold the shift key and select the anchor points. You can move them all. You can select the corners even by holding and dragging with mouse like this. Or even delete the selected anchor points. So, with direct selection tool, you can move any corner of the shape or you can delete them by pressing the delete key from the keyboard. I hope this video will be informative for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.